Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I got another unboxing video for you and I have got a Roccabox. This is what it looks like. And this month I've got two. I had another one through the post today. Exactly the same. Now, I'm not on Roccabox's PR list, not that I know of anyway, but I subscribe to Roccabox myself, so I'm not sure whether they sent me one by accident. They did send me the limited edition box recently as a gift, so I'm not too sure. So I thought, well, there's no point me keeping two, so I'm going to put them up for a giveaway. So whoever would like to win the second box that I'm not going to unbox, then comment down below a form of contact so I can get in touch with you either through like your Instagram or an email or something. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, like this video, and I can't think what else there is. If you're under the age of 18, please have parental consent. This is an international giveaway. I'll be picking a winner in my April unboxing of Roccabox. So yeah. So if you want to enter, you're welcome to do so. So let's get on to unboxing April's box. If you're new to Roccabox, I'll just give you a quick lowdown. But as always, if you've heard it all before, I'll pop a timestamp down below in the comments so you're free to flip forward. So Roccabox is a UK only monthly subscription box. It costs £10 a box and £3.95 postage and packaging. Inside you get around 5 to 6 beauty products a month, and they have a good range of makeup, skincare, hair care, nails, and we've had like makeup brushes and things as well. We've also had like supplements, and we've had shower caps. So a bit of a random mix, but it's all beauty related. If you opt for a rolling monthly subscription, you can cancel any time, but they also offer, I believe it's a 3, 6 and 12 month subscription as well. Roccabox got in touch with me last month asking if I'd be interested to give you lot a 20% discount. I don't get anything in return, I don't get commission or anything like that, but I just thought, yeah, why not? So I'll pop that down below if you're interested in getting this box for yourself. So underneath this video you see show more. If you click that, that'll bring up the description and all details and everything will be listed down there. I've been subscribed since December last year, so I've had it now for the last couple of months, and it's a box that I'm going to continue to get because it's a box that you lot really want me to unbox. I wouldn't say it's one of my favourite boxes. I do like it and I have been impressed with the items that I've received so far, but it's nothing that stands out as completely different to any other box then. But it's not, you know, for the price, £13.95, I do think it is good value for money. If you're like me and you do have more than one subscription box, then you might find it a little bit samey. But if you're looking for just the one subscription box, say under £15, then definitely Roccabox is a contender that I would recommend. So let's get on to opening it up and showing you what I've got inside. So these are all the items. I'll give you a quick sneak peek. Here's a card. It tells you everything about the products inside the box and it gives you the price as well. So I'm able to tot it up and to give you the final value at the end. So it says here, this month we are going vegan. Our Honey Bunny box is dedicated to products which are 100% vegan and cruelty free. What more could you want? Our products have been carefully chosen so that you can try the amazing products, creating a salon feel from the comfort of your own home. And then it goes into telling you about the products in the box. So the first item is a product by Dr. Botanicals, and this is their lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter. We've got 50 mils here. This is from their apothecary range, and that's what it looks like there. Now, I've had this before. I actually won a giveaway for Dr. Botanicals. Is it last year, the year before? It just feels really nice. It feels like a really nice sort of thick hand cream. But the smell, it's lemons. I'm obsessed with lemons and oranges. Oh, I love it. So from memory, I think this is like very much like a Dr. Paw type product where it can be used for a multitude of things. Used as a moisturiser, used as a treatment, such as lips, elbows and heels. Used as a cleanser. Oh, I didn't know that. Because Dr. Botanicals are all like naturally made, as soon as you open them, as soon as you take that seal off, then I think you've got so many weeks before you have to use it. Is it 3 months? I'm not too sure. There might be something here. About 6 months, that's right. Our products are fresh. Please use within 6 months after opening. For best results, store in the fridge. If you've got any Dr. Botanicals from the Apothecary Natural range that you've had for 6 months, you need to get rid of it. This is a full-size product, and to buy it will cost you £15. This body butter is packed full of minerals, antioxidants and vitamins. The all-in-one rescue butter works to rejuvenate, renew and invigorate dry and dull skin. And it's also good for blemishes, leaving a smoother complexion and a dewy glow. Perfect for that Skype date. So that's the first item in the box. Next we've got pillow spray by Feather and Down, and this is a Sweet Dreams pillow spray with calming lavender and chamomile essential oils, and I've got 50 mils here. I've tried this before. I've actually got a bottle of it by the side of my bed over there. I've got a little sort of rattan basket, and it's got sleep masks, it's got sleepy time body lotions, and it's got one or two of these in there as well. And yeah, it's really nice, really, really nice. The aim is to give it a good shake, spray it over your pillows, and the chamomile and lavender is supposed to relax you and help you have a more decent sleep. Although I was saying that I do suffer badly from my sleep, but I don't know. My husband's the same, and normally he sleeps really, really well, but he's getting up a few times during the night, and we both are quite unsettled. So I think there's stuff going on in there, isn't there? And it's not until you are asleep that your brain gets to process it. So, Anyway, this is a full-size product and it would cost you £3.50. Infused with lavender and chamomile essential oils, which are proven to encourage calm, tranquility and restful night's sleep, is exactly what you need. For the best results, spray a generous amount onto your pillow to relax you as you drift into a peaceful sleep. So there's that. Next we got something by the Beauty. I keep saying that every time we have one of these products. Next we got something from the Beauty Crop, and this is a lightning crew nourished with pineapple and green tea. Is it a highlighter? Yeah, highlighting cream. So this is a little sample one, and there's 10 mils here. Can you see there? Oh, pressed it too hard, that came right out there. Wow, matches my nail varnish. That is really pretty. That is really, really pretty, isn't it? But what I get worried about, because it's quite metallic looking, is if you just put a tiny bit too much on, will it look like you're a robot? Do you know what I mean? Oh, I don't know. That it's blending into my skin okay. It is blending, look. Can you see there? I would say use a tiny, tiny, tiny dot and maybe just do it like where you can see my highlight there, just dot, 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 dot. But yeah, that is quite full on. It is pretty, but I'm not too sure whether I would actually use that myself. So this, oh, it's not a sample, sorry, this is not a sample, this is a full-size product, and it'll cost you £9. Lightning Crew will perk up your complexion, accentuate the features you love, and leave you with a natural radiance. Packed with vitamin C and antioxidants derived from pineapple and green tea, this highlighting cream will add a healthy, luminous glow. It's so versatile to use. Add the shimmery highlighter on top of your cheekbones, on your brow bone, and inner corner of your eyes. You can also use it under your foundation or mix it with a body lotion for an all-over glow. I'll give it a go anyway. So we got a highlighting cream. Next we've got a, what is this? Code Beautiful Lip Intense Plumper. 7 mils. I don't think I've ever heard of this brand before. I love the packaging. Packaging is super cool, isn't it? I really like that. See there? Put a little bit on my finger. Feels nice. Whoa, my tongue touched it then. Oh, it's tingling. It is really tingling. Not on my lips, but on my tongue. So tip, do not put it near your tongue. But it's alright. It feels nice anyway. I don't think it's plumping, but it does feel nice. By this, it'll cost you £20, and this is a full-size product. It's a hydrating, plumping, long-lasting, defining, hyaluronic acid infused lip plumping treatment. Unlike other lip plumpers on the market, Code Lip won't irritate your lips, causing a temporary swell. Instead, the exclusive combination of ingredients help to redefine the natural contours of the lips to create a more natural and sculpted look. It's best when applied daily for 2 weeks. Oh my gosh, now that sounds a lot better, doesn't it? That sounds really, really cool. So I'm going to be doing that. I'll either do it first thing in the morning or before I go to bed, maybe. Put a little bit of a lip plumper on my lips. So you got that. Next we've got a face mask that I've tried before and I really, really like it. It's by Nip and Fab, and it's the Vitamin C Fix Face Mask, and it's to illuminate. It says revitalizing vitamin C sheet mask drenched in a brightening blend of actives for a luminous glowing complexion. Ooh, there, you can see better that way. It's lovely. I've only tried it once before, but oh, it's just nice. I'm obsessed with vitamin C skincare at the moment. Oh, I just love it. Anything to help brighten it and make it look nice and fresh and not dull and shallow and grey, and yeah. This is full size, and to buy it will cost you £7.50. It's drenched in brightening blend of actives designed to transform dull complexions and provide an instant boost of hydration. Leave on your skin 15 to 20 minutes, gently peel away, softly massage into the skin and relax. So you've got a face mask, and lastly we've got an added extra. We believe tea should taste as good as it feels. Good for the soul, even better for your following. It's got to be whole leaves in a pyramid bag. Only the good stuff, not the sweepings. Always bold, never beige, naturally let go. Huh? Don't buy our tea, try it. So this is like a little sample pack. So you've got 3 little samples there. We got Brighten Up, Forest Fruits and Ginger, Nicely Spicy, Cranberry and Cinnamon, and oh, Just Dessert, Mint and Chocolate. That sounds amazing. It's a black tea. I haven't tried that one before. Ooh, so we got 3 teas there. Doesn't say anything about it here, but it just says all the health benefits you need without having to give up or lose out on taste or excitement. Whether you want to fully charge, glow or go caff-free, they have tea for you. I'm just going to gather them all up and I'll add them up and then I'll be back. So these are all the contents inside Roccabox's April box. Now the box costs £13.95, which includes postage and packaging, and the contents of the 5, excluding the tea bags, come to £55. Now I've tried a few of these products before. Well, I've tried that spray. I've actually got that in my bedroom. I tried this about a year or so ago, and I've tried this as well. And all 3 products I like. This intrigues me. At first I was like, yeah, but no, the fact that it does more than a normal lip plumper, and hopefully we'll see results after 2 weeks. So I'll definitely give that a go to see. And yeah, this is a bit hit and miss with me. I might be surprised, but I don't think so. I think it's something maybe my daughter might enjoy more than I. Love tea as well, especially that mint chocolate. So all in all, I think it's a really nice box this month. Yes, some familiars for me anyway, but and familiar brands. But no, I think it's a really nice box. I do, yeah. But as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of this month's box? Have you got it? Or are you watching this thinking, is this box for me? Shall I get it? And you're not sure. All your thoughts and opinions, I'd love to know. So please comment down below. So I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.